Hello, members of the Pittsburgh National Speakers Association. My name is Frank Kitchen, and I'm excited, not because I'm outside here enjoying the sun, but I'm excited because I'm going to be working with all of you at your next chapter meeting. Yes, your chapter leaders have invited me to visit your chapter on Saturday, February 8th, to present my program titled Spice Up Your Speaking Business. Now, with a last name like Kitchen, guess what? There's going to be a lot of culinary terms in my program, but more importantly, you've got something that you hunger for in your speaking business, your coaching business, your consulting business. And I want to come in and share with you the recipe that I've used to get booked on stages consistently. Now, with this program, I'm going to be giving you two recipes. Recipe number one, how do we build the mindset of a successful professional speaker? And then recipe number two, what do I do to get booked consistently? Because we are professional speakers, and professional speakers get compensated for sharing their passion, their dream, and their purpose. So I'm going to be there in Pittsburgh sharing what I've done, but also what I've watched other speakers do to get on those stages consistently to transform lives in a positive way. So once again, I look forward to working with you on Saturday, February 8th at your chapter meeting. And there's going to be a special bonus. We're going to be having an auction at the end of the program, and I'm going to be auctioning off a couple of my public speaking courses and business courses to make sure that we can get you on more stages, to make sure that we can ignite your career and make sure you have the ability to cook up the results that you truly hunger for in your speaking business. So I'll see you soon, and until then, if you got any questions about me, feel free to shoot me an email ahead of time. It's frank@frankkitchen.com, or just go find me online, frankkitchen.com, or look me up on LinkedIn or YouTube, Instagram, or your favorite social media channel. See you in February.